Hey, welcome back again, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Last week we worked on a shoegazy song, and I've really had that song stuck in my head for the past couple days. So, and I've got an idea of where I want it to go. So we're just gonna start knocking it out and see where we can get to. If you remember, the beat sounded a little bit like this. So I've got an idea of what I want to do, so we're just going to jump down to the bass guitar, because I think I've even got the pattern already in my head. For this next section, I really wanted to like drive during the verses, because I'm assuming that the last thing I did was probably going to be the chorus. This next section is going to be more of a verse, and I really wanted to drive, but I didn't want it to do with the guitar. So in my brain, here's what I'm going to do. The first section of this verse, it's just going to be bass guitar, but I'm actually going to cut all the low end, so all we're going to hear is the grit from the bass guitar. Yeah, that's exactly how I want it to work. So, so that's that section. I just realized the whole time you haven't seen anything that I've done. So let me walk through this once again. Oh my gosh. This is the bass line I put together. It's just D sharp, F sharp, D sharp, and C sharp. And what I want the drums to do is just to kind of follow, to start driving. So something like... something like that. So it would sound a little bit like this. We'll come in here, clean it up. Yeah, so that sounds cool. I'm actually going to copy it again from here, but we're going to change up. Ooh, yeah, and the second time we'll go 4 on the floor. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. So this verse section is actually starting to flesh out pretty well. So I'm going to grab my guitar real quick, tune it up, and make sure we've got everything we need as far as guitars go. And we're going to play around with this segment a little bit. Yeah. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna figure out these notes real quick. can dig that. Let's do the other side. Almost. Sick. I'm digging this direction. So yeah, that's how we got together that first verse. And if you guys are really into this still and you want me to continue working on this song, please let me know down in the comments below. I love being able to put these videos out for you guys. And if you're looking for any kind of help on your project, whether you're wanting to record in person or you're just wanting some mixing and mastering done on your tracks, go ahead and go over to ghostnoisestudio.com. I would love to be able to help you guys out with whatever your project is. I love you guys. I appreciate you. I'll see you next time.